Hello and welcome back to my page. In today's video, I want to teach you guys how to make a skin lightening herbal soap that will make your skin smooth and also improve your complexion. So I will teach you guys how this is done. You just follow the recipe I will display during the video process. If you wish to produce your own skin lightening herbal soap at home, this is very easy. Over here are the ingredients I'll be using to produce this skin lightening herbal soap. So I'll go straight into the production process. This is my caustic soda. I'm making use of 157 grams. I'll dissolve it in water of 250 grams. Next, I will be cooking my soap batter. I will cook it on a low heat for at least 30 minutes. Also, you can check the description of this video. Just check the video description. You will find a link to join my online class if you wish to learn more about soap making, powder detergent, body cream, the hair shampoo, the Dettol, liquid soap. There's a lot you'll learn there in my online class. If you wish to improve in skincare formulation, just join my class, which goes on WhatsApp. Check the video description to find the link. You simply click on the link, or if you have issues or difficulties reaching me through the link, you can reach me through this number. Chat me up on WhatsApp. Just chat me up on WhatsApp to be added to the training group on WhatsApp. I hold a wonderful class there if you wish to learn more and improve your skincare formulation ability. Then my online class is actually where you should join. You will learn a lot about the soap making and the body cream, the organic soap, the shower gel. There's a lot you will learn there. Just join the class. I want to actually thank you all for watching this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming back and always watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe if you are a new viewer. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe so that you'll be updated by our latest videos that will be coming up within the week. Don't forget to follow me so that you'll be updated. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like this video. Thank you for watching how to produce a beautiful herbal skin lightening soap. You can try this at home and produce your own and start selling and make a lot of money. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to drop your comment. Goodbye and see you all next time.